To begin the threading procedure, the workpiece is selected. In this demonstration, we are using mild steel stock round bar of 10 mm diameter. A taper or chamfer is filed onto the end to be threaded, which will assist the die to center onto the workpiece. Next, select the appropriate die according to the specified thread type and diameter and fit it to the stock as previously discussed. Set your workpiece firmly into the bench vise. Allow enough protrusion for the length of thread to be cut, plus a little extra for the thickness of the stock body. Apply some cutting paste to the workpiece. Position the die onto the workpiece and maintain a level position with the stock handles. Rotate the stock clockwise, simultaneously providing a downward pressure. As with tapping, proceed to cut, giving occasional backward turns to break off the cuttings. As necessary, apply more cutting paste to ensure a clean, well-formed thread. When the desired length has been cut, brush off any debris from above the stock, then unwind the die off the work. We have now made the first or rough cut. The thread will usually have to be finished to bring it to the final size. Check the threads by trying a new nut onto your new threads. If the nut does not yet fit or is tight, then a second cut will be necessary after adjusting the cutting depth. Adjustment is made by slackening the center screw, then tightening each locating screw equally by a maximum of 1/2 turn. The cutting procedure is repeated after carefully reinstalling the die onto the work. After recutting, check the threads using a new nut. A correctly formed thread will allow the nut to turn freely but not loosely. When threading aluminium, use paraffin to lubricate. Note that it is not necessary or recommended to turn the die backward on aluminium. Brass likewise can be cut continuously. No cutting fluid is required on brass. Finally, a word on the care of dies. When not in use, they must be kept clean and stored in partitioned boxes. A light coating of oil or moisture repellent will prevent dies from becoming dull and rusty. To prevent damaging the teeth of standard dies, it is not recommended that you attempt to thread hard materials such as high tensile steel or any of the carbon steels. It is time now for you to get in a little practice in threading using the split die, after which we shall demonstrate the procedures for threading pipes and conduit.